Moving Services Website Template with Divi. We'll explore two fantastic options, one premium and one free, each designed to elevate your online presence and streamline client interactions. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Starting with the first template from the Divi Marketplace is available for $39.99. Let's dive into the live demo to see what it has to offer. Begins with an impactful hero section that greets visitors with bold visuals, ensuring your message delivers a strong first impression. Next, we explore the services section, where each service card comes alive with interactive hover effects, providing an engaging way for clients to discover your offerings. The process section neatly outlines your workflow, making it easy for potential clients to understand your methods and trust your expertise. Introducing the team members section, featuring a sleek hover effect that adds a touch of interactivity. This highlights your skilled team in an engaging and memorable way. The pricing section is thoughtfully organized, displaying your competitive rates clearly and attractively to potential clients. Finally, the footer section ties it all together with essential menus, about us, our services, recent posts, and contact info. Plus, seamlessly integrate your social media platforms for broader reach. Now, onto the free version, available with the Divi theme download. Let's explore its vibrant features. We begin with an inviting hero section featuring a get quote form, simplifying client inquiries, and boosting your lead generation. Up next is the What We Offer section, crisply presenting your key services and enticing clients with a clear, organized layout. Spotlight your satisfied customers in the testimonials section, creating trust and credibility with powerful client endorsements. Lastly, the footer section offers seamless navigation through Get in Touch, Open Hours, What We Do, and office address menus, alongside a handy Email Us form for client queries and social media links to connect and grow your audience. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.